Welcome back to machinesvisit.in. Today's video will show you some of the largest and most powerful machines you've yet to encounter when lifting heavy materials. Construction sites typically seek machines with outstanding strength and accuracy. A prime example is the Mammoet Liebherr LR13000. This crawler crane maintains its remarkable stability and mobility thanks to an undercarriage equipped with dual caterpillar tracks. It also features adjustable boom length, back mast, and counterweight to adapt to different site requirements. Beyond its stability, the Liebherr LR13000 excels in power, capable of handling loads from 60 to 3,000 tons. Truly, a machine suited for a wide range of lifting needs. Panther 8x8. Next up is the flagship of aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicles, the Panther 8x8. This is one of the machines that pioneered advancements in design, performance, and fire suppression capability, setting it apart from all other rescue vehicles. It boasts exceptional specs that surpass every existing standard, including nearly 1,500 horsepower, a top speed exceeding 80 miles per hour, and a 5,000-gallon capacity for extinguishing agents. The Panther 8x8 can accelerate from 0 to 50 miles per hour in under 25 seconds, with a pump output of 2,640 gallons per minute. This remarkable rescue and firefighting vehicle has earned its reputation through superior design, technology, and power. Plus, it incorporates cutting-edge technology for exceptionally safe driving performance. If you think you've seen everything, hold on for the E-Dumper. E-Dumper, the world's largest electric vehicle, built in Switzerland. Through ongoing monitoring of the vehicle, it has proven capable of hauling 65 tons of lime and marl from high-altitude quarries down to the fixed conveyor system below. It not only delivers immense power but also promotes a sustainable future, powered by the largest battery pack available. The E-Dumper is a zero-emission vehicle. It also cuts waste and maintenance expenses thanks to durable components that resist wear. Compared to other vehicles, it produces significantly lower noise levels. Panther Series 2. Coming up next is the new Panther Series 2 low-loader lineup, engineered for the mining sector with safety and user-friendliness as top priorities. These loaders handle payloads from 880,000 pounds to 1 million pounds. Customizable based on your specific mine conditions. They're expertly designed for seamless autonomous operation, while maintaining top-tier safety features. The Peasant E and Son Panther Series 2 uses a rear axle rotation system, or RS, to guarantee safety, simplicity, and efficiency. Additionally, stability is ensured through full-width ground contact during loading and unloading, supported by an integrated wet brake system. Furthermore, manufacturing and testing ensure it can endure the harshest mining environments, thanks to its modular design. It lowers shipping and setup costs, delivering a cost-effective and dependable solution. Cotton cartage trailer. In the cotton transport sector, there's the Cooler and Miller cotton cartage trailer. It sets another record by accommodating 9 cotton modules per trailer. The core design focused on a load restraint system compatible with existing equipment. This was accomplished with the innovative cotton crush restraint system, paired with the standard 45 feet drop deck trailer. This allows a load height of 14.8 feet to be added to current trailers. Additional features include 12V or truck hydraulics, easy bolt-on installation, and certification for load compliance. Royal Odyssey of the Seas versus Quantum of the Seas. Shifting to the mighty machines of the ocean, we have the Royal Odyssey of the Seas, launched in 2021, and the Quantum of the Seas, launched in 2014. Despite different names, they share many similarities, especially in size. The Odyssey of the Seas measures 1,138 feet in length and 135 feet in width, very close to the dimensions of the Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. They also accommodate the same number of passengers and offer identical space ratios. Now, let's compare their amenities. The Odyssey of the Seas offers 19 dining venues, with 9 included in the cruise fare and 10 requiring extra charges. In contrast, the Quantum of the Seas has 18, with 10 complimentary and 8 charging fees. The Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas matches the Odyssey in pool count but provides more hot tubs and exclusive pools. Their main difference lies in onboard spending, about 71% of activities on the Odyssey of the Seas are included in the fare, compared to 62% on the Quantum of the Seas. Algeciras. Another massive ocean machine is the HMM Algeciras, recognized as one of the world's largest container ships. It's relatively new, having launched in 2020. This container ship was constructed by DSME Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea. The HMM Algeciras is 200 feet wide and 1,312 feet long, with a capacity of 23,964 TEU. It is currently registered in Panama and operated by HMM Company Antigo Construction for pavement rehabilitation. Antigo Construction is the go-to expert. They offer full services for concrete pavement rubblization, crack and seat, and braking, powered by their robust Badger breaker machines. The 8600 Badger breaker is a rubber-tired, self-propelled, guillotine-style concrete pavement breaker. This machine features an 8 ft wide, 12,000 pounds hammer for its operations. Its drop height adjusts electrically from 0 to 9 feet. Cord King powered by a 125 horsepower John Deere or Cat turbo diesel engine. The Cord King's CS27-40 achieves a production rate of 8 to 9 full cords per hour. This is enabled by its 60 inches carbide tooth slasher saw and a cut-and-split cycle every 3.5 seconds. It delivers 42 tons of splitter force and includes an operator safety cage with roof and deluxe seat. Additionally, it handles logs up to 27 in diameter and 40 in length, using just 3 gallons of fuel per hour. Wood King pruning is a horticultural, arboricultural, and silvicultural practice that involves selectively removing parts of a plant, such as branches, buds, or roots. This process is essential to eliminate dead or dying branches, encourage new growth, prevent pest and animal issues, and enhance the plant's natural form and health. For your pruning tasks, consider the Wood King Classic Pruning Saw. Despite weighing around 463 pounds, it operates at an impressive speed of about 5 mph. It's ideal for large trees with a cutting width of 6.9 feet and saw blades featuring 60 tungsten tip teeth. Furthermore, its boom extends up to 3.9 feet sideways, equipped with hydraulic drive and 3 special carbide tip saws. RF System AB. Next is the asphalt cutter from RF System AB. It uses cutting wheels with diameters from 11.8 to 17.7 in. These diameters adjust based on your requirements and the excavator type. The company also provides asphalt cutting services designed for ground compactors, greatly simplifying the process. Additionally, accessories include the asphalt cutter wheel, complete wheel with hub, rods and bolts, plus spare parts. Liebherr MK140. This is Liebherr's compact 5-axle mobile construction crane. The MK140. Has a maximum lifting capacity of 17,637 pounds. However, at a 213-foot radius, it handles 4,189 pounds. It's noted for performance typically seen in higher axle class cranes. Its hook height reaches up to 131 feet, with the lift jib at 70 degrees. The 140 Malawin Quachas has transport dimensions of just 52.5 feet with a 197-foot jib on board. Tigercat 632H skidder. The next machine is the Tigercat 632H skidder. featuring higher capacity grapples and the strongest rear axle for extreme duty and high volume needs. It weighs 48,200 pounds, stands 23 feet high at the cab, and is powered by a 285 horsepower engine. It includes the turnaround 220 feature, allowing the operator to lock and release the 220 degrees rotating seat to any position with one button. It also has a 4-point harness to smooth out rough terrain. This machine uses electronic controls with TigerCat's proprietary hydrostatic drive system. This enables automatic variable engine RPM for better fuel efficiency. Tech 12638, known as the world's largest pan scraper, the Tech 12638 is undeniably one of the most impressive machines available. This mega scraper is built to move millions of cubic yards and handle long-distance earth-moving projects. It features an ultra-high capacity bolt-together design for easier maintenance and cost-effective international container shipping. Additionally, the standard roller push block at the rear pairs perfectly for push loading, enabling fast cycles with its 63 cubic yard, 48.1 cubic meter heap capacity. Nautilus Minerals Auxiliary cutter for the world's heaviest deep-sea mining unit. Look no further than the Nautilus Minerals Auxiliary cutter. The main production machine weighs 300 tons total, with a cutter head larger than any other rock cutter. It delivers extreme power and advanced features ideal for deep-sea mining. This demonstrates how the giant cutter can pulverize the seafloor with each pass. To operate this powerhouse, it requires 1.2 megawatts of power. FAM SR800P9. Elevating things further, let's examine the FAM SR800P9. From Codelco, Chile, this rotary shovel travels at 49 feet per minute. To boosts productivity. It features a bucket reaching 82 feet high and extending 171 feet long. It also includes a removal disc with a 62 feet diameter. Combined, this machine achieves a maximum capacity of 14,500 tons of material per hour. That's an impressive 4,000 tons more than its predecessor, making it a worthwhile investment. Wagner log stackers to suit the modern era allow us to present the new generation Wagner 4-wheel drive log stackers. These machines excel in rough and muddy yard conditions. The 4-wheel drive models offer lift capacities from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds, with a rear oscillating axle and minimal center of gravity shift. This keeps the unit directly behind the load for superior stability, no capacity loss, and turning like large wheel loaders. Select 4-wheel drive models allow operators to disengage the rear axle in better ground conditions, reducing wear and improving fuel economy. Other standout features include faster hoist speeds, ground-level service bay, lighted stairways, force-cooled wet disc brakes, easy-access cooler bays, and selectable automatic transmission. This lineup is powered by a Tier 4 final engine to ensure task completion. Liebherr LH115M. We wrap up this list with an outstanding machine from Liebherr. This is the LH115M high-rise industry electronic, blending modern innovation with exceptional performance and a rugged build. It's powered by a 543 horsepower EPA compliant engine. It weighs between 308,647 and 352,739 pounds with a reach of about 92 ft. It also features the award-winning Liebherr Regenerative Power System, or Positive Control Multi-Circuit Hydraulic System, for optimal performance in any scenario. Manufacturers ensured a modular structure, premium equipment, and advanced technology. Customizing the machine to specific needs maximizes material handling efficiency while maintaining excellent cost-effectiveness. That's all for today's video on the largest and most powerful machines you need to see. Thank you for watching Mighty Machines. Share your thoughts on these innovations in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our content. See you next time, fast.